Hello everybody. We continue with the process of factorization by using factor theorem. We will now take a cubic expression and see how can we factorize it by using the factor theorem. Here is the problem. Factorize x cubed plus 7x square minus 21x minus 27 by factor theorem. So we begin our process in the same manner. We name it as fx. Fx is equal to x cubed plus 7x square minus 21x minus 27. So we start with step 1, that is we have to find that value of x for which fx will be equal to 0. We will not search randomly now. Okay, so we look at the constant term. The constant term is 27. Only consider the absolute value of it without the sign. So 27's factors are 1, 3, 9 and 27. So if you consider the plus values as well as the minus values, again we have at most 4 plus 4, 8 values to check with. We start with x equal to 1. F of 1 is equal to 1 cube plus 7 into 1 square minus 21 into 1 minus 27. You simplify it. It gives you minus 40, which is not equal to 0. Now, if you observe these values little carefully, just have a look at the values 1, 7, 21, 27. You'll have a feeling that if the signs were changed, it can give you 0 also. So instead of going from 1 to 3, mind that we will never test it for x equal to 2 because already we know the values are 1, 3, 9 and 27. Instead of going into x is equal to 3, I am checking it with x is equal to minus 1. For x equal to minus 1, f of minus 1 is minus 1 cube plus 7 into minus 1 square minus 21 into minus 1 minus 27, minus 1 plus 7 plus 21 minus 27 minus 28 plus 28 gives you 0. We have got what we require. That is, we have got for x equal to minus 1, fx is 0. Therefore, x plus 1 is a factor of it. Now, with this known factor, we will begin the process of factorization. Here we begin with the process. So we already know x plus 1 is a factor of it. Write x plus 1. Method is same. With which quantity will you multiply x plus 1 in order to get x cube? Obviously it is x square. So x square into x plus 1, x cube plus x square. You have got plus x square, you need 7x square. 7x square minus x square. So you require 6x square. Write x plus 1 again. With what will you multiply x in order to get positive 6x square? Positive 6x square. Obviously the answer is plus 6x. Okay. Now check, go on to the next term. 6x into 1 is 6x. You need minus 21x. You have got 6x, you need minus 21x. Again we will apply the same method. I will write x plus 1. I have got 6x, I need minus 21x. Minus 21x minus 6x. What I need minus what I have got, which gives me minus 27x is the required quantity. That means x plus 1 should be multiplied by minus 27. And you can get the confirmation that you are right if you check with the last term. Minus 27 into plus 1 is minus 27. This shows you that all these steps have been calculated correctly. So the main step is this one only. So x plus 1 has been taken common. Now we have x square plus 6x minus 27. Now you can again apply factorization theorem to factorize this one. But since already the use of factor theorem has been shown, this quadratic expression can be simplified or can be factorized by using middle term factorization. It is accepted, it is allowed. I'm factorizing this by middle term factorization, and you know it's a very simple middle term factorization. Minus 27x square, I'll be breaking plus 6x. So here is the method: x plus 1 x square. I will break 6 as 9x minus 3x minus 27. All of you know it, I do not have to explain much. And then I continue. X plus 1, x is taken common here, x into x plus 9 minus 3 into x plus 9. I don't have much space here, so this is finally factorized as x plus 1, this one, x plus 9 and x minus 3. So the final product is x plus 1, x plus 9, x minus 3. These are the three factors of x cubed plus 7x squared minus 21x minus 27. Again, you must have seen I have used that method of adjustment. I have not used that longer division method. This is a very useful method. Try to use it correctly and apply it in doing these sums.